Okay, so let's start with structure mapping. It's still the same thing I've been preaching since the very beginning. Still the same thing. The market is either bullish, bearish, or in a range. So every day now, when you come to the chart, like the first thing you should do is to check to know which of these three phases the market is in. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Or ranging? You do this one now on your lower time frame. Let's say from 1 hour down. From 1 hour down, that's where you do this one. So this is your structure. Either you have a bullish structure, a bearish structure, or a ranging market structure, which we don't trade ranges. We trade just what we call either the bullish or the bearish. Then once you've seen this stuff, you need to see your first push, impulsive push, a correction, and an impulse. Once you've seen it, okay, the trend now is what they call. The trend now is bullish. You check where the market came from for the candles that we trade. If you see any of them, you mark and anticipate market will come back to trigger you. If you check US oil, sorry, if you check US oil from the other week, that was what we traded. Trading with Aquila, but then check the weekly market has been, what's it called? Market has been bearish. But we got to this point, this low was taken. So more like your three candle stuff now. This one now was a T candle, a doji from so and the smith market now. Should be coming for this high. That was a big weekly picture there. Then you go to daily, the same bullish story. What can you see on your daily here? Impulsive push, correction, impulsive push, correction, impulse again. So once you've identified the market phase, you're in, okay, now I'm in a bullish market. What do? You switch to your lower time frame now. Switch to your lower time frame now and do your stuff. So I think, okay, secret again. This one was taken. Oops. Then on the 4 hour, what can we see? Okay, nothing much. We had a range here. We had a range here. We can see this nice push again. So market came back for this doji here. Now this is our doji candle here. So this push, market came for this doji. Then on the H1, the structure was clear. If you see all these ones now, all these ones, the market was ranging here. But you never saw, what was it called, two impulse correction. This one was just an impulsive push correction. But this one was clear. We had this impulsive push here. Correction came. Another impulse. That's what I've been preaching. Impulsive push, correction, impulse, and look for the candles. If you check here now, it was obvious. Impulsive push, a correction, and an impulse. Then check where the market came from. What candle can you see? That's the doji, dragonfly doji. At your point of entry. And see, you mark it and extend. Can we see? I always told us that you take 1 to 4, take 1 to 5. Let's say you go long here now. SL below. That's 1 to 4 already. So you can be out of the market or take 1 to 5 on it. Do we understand? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, bro.
So that's the ideal. Like make sure the push is impulsive. Like you can see here now, we have just green candles here that cause this push, then the retracement. And if you check GBP check, now I'm waiting for it for the new week. Can you see? Market was bearish, proud. We have this nice push. Same thing here. Nice push, impulse, correction, impulse. Check here now. That's an impulsive push here, a correction, an impulse. What candle can you see here? It looks like, what can you see? The same candle that formed on that US oil. No, come on this place. US oil. See the candle. This one was a dragonfly doji, but still a doji. If I delete it, you see it properly. That's a dragonfly doji. The same thing now I don't see for here. So I'm anticipating market coming back here now. Then I go long SL below, take 1 to 5 or take 1 to 6, and that's it. Then even your JPY pairs as well. Market was bullish prior to now. Then you can see the nice push now, impulsive push, the correction, and impulse. What candle can you see at the extreme there? That looks like an engulfing candle. Can we see? Impulsive push, correction, impulse. I'm waiting for entry here. Probably this new week I will engage. AUD USD. This one never just a run. Never give me entry yet. It's just a run since I've not had an opportunity to engage. So, but we'll get entry, sha, so we're not bothered. We're not bothered. S&P 500. Previous sales of the other week. Sorry. The same thing, impulsive sales, correction, impulse. Market came back for the extreme ones. So I traded it on the H4 time frame, sha. On the H4 time frame, I engaged here. So that's that. So your JPY pairs, the same thing, impulsive sell, correction, impulse. That's an engulfing candle there. You mark when market comes back. If it comes back, you engage. Huh? So that's that for sure. So like it's the same thing. If you see it, it's fine. If you don't see it, don't force it. You see how you trade, you not see how you sleep. Then for the 3 day stuff, I've told us before, you need to see a T candle. You mark the candle high, mark the candle low. Then we wait for a doji to form either above. The doji form above. The doji forms above. You know you have to anticipate market selling. The doji should form below. The same thing. You should know market will do what? Will go up most likely. There's something I've refused to show us all along. Is like you see this doji that formed there. Always extrade this doji to the far back if it's touching, what's it called? Any engulfing candle or any candle like that candle pairing theory I told us now, where candles are paired with previously formed candles. Always check below, like behind where this what's it called? Where this doji candle is coming from. If it's in what's it called? In in what's it called? In a straight line with a previously formed zone that might hold price. Hmm? I don't know if I'll fit see one example shown, but if you guys see all the okay, let's check that GBPCA schedule. You check the daily candle exactly. So let me pick another one. You check the daily candle now. I will not print candle, then I will see. Good. You can see, okay, let me work with this one. Let me work with this one. The first one there, let's see. Start. I'm gonna get gap now. Let me even delete the analysis now. If you check here now, this was your tick candle, your reference candle. Abi, can we see? This was the low.
Yes, yes, you can see.
That's your anticipated target. But so this low now is your target. Then this candle now would have been your what's it called? Your point one, criteria one, criteria two. Then I told us now always look at where this candle came from. If you check this candle now, check and go back. What can you see? Engulfing candle there. Here. This red candle previously engulfed this one. These are the ones that hardly fail. That's the idea of the candle pairing strategy I was trying to teach us back then. Are we seeing it? Always make sure this
Yes,
doji,
yes.
always make sure this doji is paired with either of the candles that we trade. If you see an engulfing candle, more perfect. Not just you see what's it called, red candle, sorry, thick candle, a doji. No, some of them go fail, some go work out well. By the time now see the ones when go hardly fail, now the ones when they paired to another of those candles below. Sorry, far behind. Are we getting it?
Yeah.
Yes, boss. We will get them.
Yeah, again. See the same thing. See your what's it called? See your candles here. This one na hammer sweep am, not be doji. The same thing. But check behind. What can you see? Engulfing candles. These ones they hardly fail. I been not want teaching now before, but not get any reason to keep anything from una again. So, but can we see your sales? What's it called? Your buy candle. This one formed. This one swept the high. If you check now, this doji now closed inside, so it's not valid yet on this particular week. The stock must close above that candle and make sure that candle when close above now is paired with an engulfing candle or either of those candles that we trade on. That's it. See the sales. So as I tell now, it not they happen every time, but if you see it, you most likely make money. See this one here too.
Okay. Boss, sorry to throw
Wait
you
first,
back.
wait
Oh.
first, wait first, wait first. See this one too. What's it called? Your red candle, your doji form. See the buys. Check behind again. What can you see? Your candle is there. We dey see am. This one not too perfect, but fine. This one, this green candle engulf this one. See this one here moved. This one red moved. This one here again. See the push. Can we see? When I dey tell una to dey train una eyes most times, and wetin I dey want more una dey do be this. The same thing here again. Engulfing candle here. Can you see? Plenty buys, doji, see the sales. So make sure the doji candle is paired with either of the candles that we trade. If e not dey paired, trash am. Let's be safe. Dollar don't cost. Can we hear me? The same thing here.
Loud
See
and clear.
your see your green candle, see your engulfing candle here. So all those lines now they see me drop on my chart, not be just fancy line. And these things are they pick right from time. But I've been not showing up before, but I don't know. I just felt like showing us today. This one now not come back, so let it be. Can we see? Always pair your 3-day stuff with. Make sure the doji candle is paired with a candle, a strong candle behind. That's the message I'm passing to us this evening. Do we get it? Huh?
Yes, boss.
Good.
Yes, boss.
This will not be perfect engulfing candle. We see the same thing. So just make sure it's paired. See this one now. This one plenty sell. Doji. I not like Ansha. I not like Ambet. See the zone here too. Then once you've seen it on a higher time frame, you switch to your lower time frame for your entry. What's it called? For your entry criteria. The same thing again here. Engulfing candle here. Buys, doji, sell. Buys, doji. Sorry, this one is a hammer. Sell. See I'm there. That's it. Huh? Fine. See here now.
Yes, sir.
This one now fail. This one doji sell. This one now engulfing candle form there. Good. Not be say it fail per se, but okay. Not be say it fail per se. It bought for 2 days. On the 3rd day, you hit SL. So not be say it fail per se, but most can say it fail. But this one hit TP now. This fail. Okay, the first one failed you here. The second one that closed here. This one now. This one here. This one hits TP now. See TP. TP is this high. So this one hits TP. So thank God with someone that failed. This one picked. But for 2 days and hit SL. The same thing again. You hit TP. So let's try and limit our what's it called? Let's limit our risks, our exposure. The same thing here too. Your candle here. This drop. Thick candle here. See it here is paired. It must not be an engulfing candle. That's the candle pairing. Sorry, candle pairing. You pair the 4 candles. You pair them together. Your inverted hammer here. Your 3-day paired. It's just simple. So once you just see this thing, you mark and you find your entry. And on a normal day, if they not manipulate market much, TP is supposed to hit, and you can see that's it there. Do we get? So make una try go study the same thing here to see your candles here. You mark and extend. Your plenty sales, Joji form, you buy small, come back. So that's it. That's it.
Yes, sir.
So that's it. Do you have any questions? See I'm again for here. Engulfing candle here. See I'm here. He's on tap, buy small. If he's on tap well, see the buys. So that's it. Any questions? I've done structure. I've done the 3 years of when I want show now. Account sizing, I've taught that here again. When I go watch the video, I don't want to repeat my address. Now allow me rest my head. Any questions?
Yes, I do.
What's the question?
Okay, as at last week. Let me see. There were some pairs I entered, but some of them failed. In fact, most of them failed.
All of us interested last week.
Studied it last week. Look, I'm giving you the pairs like CAD JPY. I marked out a sell limit.
If you fail now, you know kill yourself. If you fail. No, you need to kill yourself.
Okay.
If you
then
see
even NZD.
See this something with you guys here. I don't know. Like I didn't want to make this thing easy for us, but I don't know why. I call it do this thing privately, like what you are not understand. If you check that group, description, if you check the group description, you see something there. What can we see here? Mona, read that, Max.
We grow by lifting others. We see opportunity and trade together.
Okay.
Trade together.
when I create this group, so in 2021, but una just join which now they trade now. Una call they do nothing privately. Like you will see setup, you trade for your inbox. When you hit say you call worry me. Like it's not supposed to be so. I don't need to trade though, but for una when they learn, like una they share ideas within ourselves for that group. Are we getting it? And I've always told us nobody in that group
Yes.
is a what's it called? Dot to know when nothing learn again. But you go see setup, you keep it to yourself. Sometimes now setup when you don't trade already, you call it drop after setup for this thing. Okay, sir. It not really makes sense for me, but not be say I need that but you guys are still learning. Imagine una dey learning phase, una don dey hide una analysis to your personal self. Then imagine you don't turn what's it called? You don't turn strong man for the market. So for people to access your trade go be really serious work. So the group is there for you guys to share ideas. You will never see me when they say, I call they laugh somebody, say, oh, you draw an analysis, so, or your trades. I've been posting my losses in that group back to back. Like back to back, I post everything. But you guys prefer to do your thing in your inbox. I don't know how to do it. You call they post your after setup when you don't hit TP. How person what can I learn from them? So make una try. The group is for you guys to use and learn what you feel and make your money. I don't really need anything from you guys, seriously. I know say I not to get to a head, but I don't need my money. That's the truth. I don't need that. So let's just try. Let's just try. Let's try. Eh? If you see setup drop on the group, person won't follow you trade, go trade. No one trade, that's on them. They just drop. See this one now, so
Okay, no
I'll
problem.
on next week. So if you check last week, I had losses. I'm not just know how to find that was that I had losses like all my trades from better profits before I sleep wake up, better losses. I slept and that was it. So if I hit you hit loss, not mean say you did totally wrong. I think how much as you know what's it called? You know your structure you saw was right. You call it yourself, then just let them be not to kill yourself. Like I miss trade last week. I see hit SL. So not be new thing. Just accept it as part of the game. Nero, what's your question? All these ones not come back.
Wait,
All these ones not come back. But I'm still waiting. Nero talk.
so sorry. Now that's a 3 day candle stuff. Now be one ask question. You be the talk of the doji closing above before it go dey value, something like that. I don't know wetin you come later mean by that closing above. Is it that the the body go dey above or just dey
Nero,
look
you
during
don't
the
dey trade that thing
Friday?
before. No stress me. You've been trading that thing before. See am for here.
Okay.
See am for here again. If you check good, if you check this one now, eh? Let's say we're on the daily chart. Assume we're on the daily chart. Eh? You don't see your thick candle. This candle close above this high.
No.
Good. So this one now, this day now, you do nothing till you see this candle closing above. Do you get? So once you see your what's it called? Once you see your thick candle, mark the high and the low. Wait for either the high or the low to be taken. Once it's taken, it don't give you your what's it called, your first criteria ready. Then check if it's combined to an engulfing candle. Once you see that one, trade without fear. Can you see? So make
Okay.
sure the high of that your first candle is taken. May you don't take them, then just confirm.
Okay.
Okay, previously this candle is paired with another of the candles we trade. You are good to go. See them, you must sell unless they manipulate markets. You not get help. Are you getting it?
Okay. Yeah.
If you check here now too, okay, this one not really too perfect, but see this candle here. This one an engulfing candle. See the cells that followed. See here too. Okay, I for not trade this one. I not go trade them. And he not touch the candles then, so I not go trade them. This one now, he sell low fine, but see, I may not take this, he not take the green candle high. Can you see?
Yeah.
Did it sell? Yes. But does it meet our criteria? No. You trash it, find another pair. That's just it. ETPO fine, but not concern me. That's me. Not concern me. I'm good to go. See this one here too. It close above. No, you trash it. You get.
Yeah.
Hmm. This one now you for lose money for here because one. This one now close above already. Okay, 10 minutes time. This one close above already now fine. And most times, I said they always do above these red candles. See this one not called sweep am. That's it. You collect your loss, you rest. You eat TP later, yes, but you don't lose already. You can't fight the market. You can't be right or lose. Because if everybody dey right, the market makers not go make money. That's it. So this one now we say it close above, well, doji, but this one now can take you out. That's it. You don't need to kill yourself and cry and do whatever. No. If you check now, check below here. This one not dey paired to any serious candle here. So now I say to limit your losses. Always, once you don't see this thing, don't close. Check. If you not get any of your candles, then let it be. Eh?
Yes, boss.
Just check, and if you hit SL, fine. You not hit, so fine. See this one now. Engulfing candle day here. What's it called? A doji from good. It sold. But maybe let's say you dey go this extreme now, you not go hit TP. Maybe if you do your normal 1 to 4, you will make money for this trade well. Because you want close up, but sold well, but you make so that's just it. Any more questions?
No question.
Then always check the COT, page. If you check last week now, the other week, if you check now, see USD. It was clear that the big boys are going down. See, they had 16,000 points to the short side. They had 22K points to the long. They now added 760 points to the short side, telling you dollar will be bearish. Then they removed 1,009 from the long. If you check dollar index last week, GXY, it sank within not good. Can we see? YOLO last week, dollar index sank within not good. COT reported before it happened. So you guys should always check. Once you wake up every new week, check COT, check the COT, know which side of the market you want to put your money, then you are good to go. And next week again, the next week data. This was reported on last Tuesday, I think so. Yes, 13 I report this one also. Check them now. This stuff is bearish. Now the other week can't be the show now because 13th. The same difference now, the same sub see 21K, 17K, normal shots. See your shot. It tanked was not nice, and this thing not go most likely go see drop. But where I don't know. So once this one is dropping, you know your EU, GU, AU will be going up, and that's what is happening. So always check your COT report and know how best. Check your COT report, check your candles, check your 3-day, check your H1 market structure, and if you see entry, you find you not see you change the pair.
Yes, sir.
So if we not get question, we are done for today. So make una try.
I have a little clarification to make, please.
I'm tired.
On the okay.
Talk. What was it?